Start with designing an image. You can use Canva's elements, or even better draw your own on Procreate. Then save it as PNG file without a background. Look up on the web for DTF costume print service to order a print of your design on an iron heat transfer. You will receive a sheet with a print. The back side has a white layer. This is the glue that will melt onto the fabric once you iron it on. Turn on the iron on medium heat, place your sweatshirt on a flat surface. Now you are ready to create your piece of art. Make sure the white layer is facing down, touching the fabric. You don't want the glue to melt and stick on your iron. Iron gently for a few seconds each element, then let it cool for a moment. Remove the transparent sheet and enjoy the results. You can do the same process multiple times on different products. Get creative and think of ideas for gifts that you will like to give to friend and family. For example, these little bags I created for Hanukkah gifts for my kids. I will put money, chocolate coins and candy. Back to the sweatshirts, you can make a hoodie for everyone, adults, kids, babies, and even for your pet if you have a dog or cat. Wrap it up nicely, and you are all ready for the holidays. Enjoy and thanks for watching.